In this coming tutorials, we are going to use the Anaconda Navigator, which is providing the all kind of environment. So let's understand first. I already installed Anaconda, right? So Anaconda you can download from the anaconda.com website, where the with the updated Python version you will get it, and you can install in the your operating system. Even you will be able to get in the different operating system, whether you are using Windows or Linux or Mac operating system. So as per your requirement you can download it, right? So you will be able to see the Anaconda Navigator, and here the different kind of interactive tools are available, like the Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Glueys, Orange. Even if you wanna work on the R Studio, so R programming language is also available. VS Code is available. So different tools are available here. You can install these tools inside the Anaconda, and see. So our tools which is already installed, you need to just launch that tools to use as a program. And which is not installed, already the installs options are coming. So whatever tools I am using for my programming, that is already installed. So I am going to work out on the Jupyter Notebook. So Jupyter Notebook is one of the interactive web-based environment where you will be able to see this structure, and it's quite good. Okay, so if here, what is that? The slash sign represent that the root directory. So inside the root, whatever the directories are there, you will able to see here, right? So let's say if you want to save your code inside the desktop, and here you will able to see here the upload and use. If already the any Jupyter Notebook file is available somewhere, you can download from the you can upload it that one to here. Otherwise we are going to make the new Python 3 file. So once you are going to make, you will be able to see here automatically inside the desktop this untitled file is going to save. So you can give the name of this file my first file, right? See here. So this Jupyter Notebook file already got saved. So if so here, this the plus sign will represent how many number of um, code you wanna going to use in your program. So let's say we'll write here print, and just will give a simple message, hello Python. Okay, and in this the run options will tell you to run the particular that code block. So you will get here message in second. I am just writing a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and print a plus b. So what it will do, it will just run and print the c. So Jupyter Notebook is one of the best tools to the program, right? So in the coming classes we will discuss in the more details. So for the now, uh, I'm stopping.